Have you ever tried making money with affiliate marketing using Facebook ads but hit a wall because your landing page isn't converting? So you're not sure if the page is good or bad. So you keep on spending, hoping it works, but no sales come in. And because of that, a lot of affiliate marketers give up. Not because it can't work, but because they keep spending without knowing what to fix. So in this lesson, I will show you how to use split testing in affiliate marketing business so to find out which landing page actually works and track everything clearly with ClickMagick tracking software. So you stop guessing and start making better decisions based on your real data. Let's say ads are already running on Facebook, but the landing page isn't getting enough clicks. So a good way to check this is by looking at landing page CTR. Around 30 to 40% is acceptable, 40 to 50% is good, 50% and above is great. Now, inside ClickMagick, this is shown as ACR, Action Conversion Rate. In this setup, the action has been renamed to hops. So which means people who click the button on the landing page and go to the vendor's VSL. When looking at ClickMagick, ACR equals hops divided by unique clicks. So this means your ACR here is actually your landing page CTR. So if ACR is low, it clearly shows that people are landing on the page but not clicking through. And that's exactly where split testing becomes important, because now there's a clear way to test different landing pages and improve that number. So you need to take note that we are promoting affiliate product here, either from Clickbank or Buy Goods or Digistore or from whatever affiliate platform that you are using. So normally our target landing page CTR here ideally is 40% and above. So if let's say you have low landing page CTR and you want to improve it, then I will gonna teach you how you can do a split testing of landing page in ClickMagick. Make sure that you choose your project. So let's say this is my weight loss project. Just go here, tools. You will see here website code. So just click this website code and then click custom website code. And then go here, you will see advanced option. Just click this one and click split testing. Make sure that you already run your Facebook ads so you already know which landing page that you can consider as your control. Make sure that you already have another variation of your landing page for your split testing. Once you already have that, you will see this page and then you will see here page type. So once you already have your control page, landing page, and your variation that you want to test, then just go here, advanced option, just click this and then go and click split testing. Then here, this is your control page and then ref value, just put here control and split percent. So this is the percentage of clicks that will be sent to the variation landing page URL that you will set here. Let's say I want to split it by 50%. Then just put 50% here. Or if you want to split your budget like 80% for your control landing page and 20% for your new landing page, then this is all up to you. And then variation URL, just enter here your landing page variation URL here. And once you do that, just click save. Then just go back again to your tracking code. You will see here your split ratio and then copy this, go to your landing page builder and paste this to the head of your control landing page. So I will just paste it here and then just click save. So whatever landing page builder that you are using, whether you're using Lead Pages or ClickFunnels or WordPress, just paste that to your head section of your page and then just click save. So be sure to remove all other copies of the ClickMagick code from the page. And you need to do it again for your variation landing page. Just click this advanced option, click split testing, and then here click variation page. And you will see this split testing and then page type, variation page, and then your ref value here, just put variation and then click save. And you will see here, this is for your variation page. Just copy this and go to your variation page where you will put your code on your variation landing page. And then just click paste. And then once you do that, just click Save. So if you are using ClickFunnels or Lead Pages or any other landing page builder, just make sure that you remove any ClickMagick code on that page. And when you start running your Facebook ads to split test your landing page, the website URL that you will put here on your ad level will be your landing page control URL. And down below here, make sure that you create your URL parameters. So in your ads, you will use the control page URL with UTMs, and ClickMagick will take care of splitting the traffic. So your budget will automatically be spent on the 2 pages in the chosen ratio. I hope this helps. If you really want to learn affiliate marketing using Facebook ads, there's a full course I put together on Udemy. You can check out a free sneak peek first just to see if it makes sense. And if it feels right, you can join and go through everything step by step with me. Hope to see you inside. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my affiliate marketing videos. Clickbank Made Easy will give you the key to generating passive income online so you can travel and spend quality time with your family.